to another episode of Gardener Gone Wild. Or rather, it's Gardener Gone Shopping, the latest Gardener Gone Wild series special. So, here we are outside of Sue's Fresh, which, if you look at the label, it clearly implies something to do with fruits and vegetables. And that is clearly why I'm going there. Hopefully they'll actually have some fruit that's a bit different to what the supermarket stock, because let's face it, they don't stock many fruit. So in we shall go. So unfortunately no luck there. So yeah, 'cause really they actually had less selection in the supermarket, so I guess that that's a dead end. I'll just have to stick to whatever fruit I'm having right now, and I guess it's time to head off to somewhere else. Who knows? Okay, so we're just about to head out into a warehouse, or worry curry as I prefer to call it, and well, since I'm heading out to Outward Bound, I need to get a another enamel bowl, because the one that I currently have wouldn't really be enough for mealtime. So if in doubt, have two enamel bowls. Somehow Productions is indicating that I'm supposed to be doing something along the lines of this, and I don't quite understand. I think she might mean plate now when I come
Yes.
There we go. So that's what happens behind the camera. I mean, I don't get prompts too often, but when I generally do get prompts, half the time I can't understand them anyway.
And you'll see him go spacey and his eyes glaze over.
Anyway, it was kind of an attempted recreation, but anyway.
So we need to get
Bowls and
plates and maybe a cup.
Maybe a cup. I've already got a couple of cups. But if in doubt, get another cup, because you know.
And one that matches so you don't forget it.
Hey, I'm not too bad at forgetting things.
Yeah, you're really good at forgetting things.
I know. No, generally I only ever forget things so I don't recognise them as being mine.
Yeah, so if you have something matching, then hopefully you'll remember it.
Maybe, or maybe I just lose the whole lot, you see.
Or lose the plot.
Or lose the plot. I could do that as well. So anyway, I need to stop blabbing. I need to actually get that task done, completed and accomplished. So I've got other things to do today.
In we go.
Yes. That's all for now, and I believe today. And let me see. Do you think, viewer, that this is enough to satisfy me? I believe it may be, and also when empty makes this really good noise. I mean, it's both an instrument and an eating vessel. So what else do you call it? It's not a plate, is it? It's an eating vessel.
Ooh.
Something behind me that's interesting apparently. What is it?
We've found it. Look, look, look.
Oh, there we go.
But they don't have bowls.
No. I mean, I've got this trough.
Let's have a look.
Let's compare this.
Oops.
Whoops.
Help. Yeah. We'll get both.
Get both, okay.
Because, yeah, gotta feed ya.
Yes.
You want a cup?
I've already got a cup.
That's too small.
Yeah, I've already got a better one.
Yeah, that's too small. So,
Yes.
right.
I'm being pointed to go down this way.
No! Okay, so he's going to disappear in a minute.
Yes, I've got more important things to do, clearly.
But he's got to go and catch a train. So, it's,
So anyway, so that's the end of this episode. So please remember to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.
and eat lots of fruit and vegetables.
Yes, and that's what these plates are good for as well. So yeah,
So,
plates, food, vegetables, eat plants. Life is good.
stay carved.
Yes. Time for me to swim off.
Well, I've finished all the shopping since the gardener had to go. And so I've got bananas, and dragon fruit, grapes, tamarillos, oranges, a pineapple, so a load of goodies. So remember, keep it carved, eat your fruit and your veggies. See you next time.